Hello students, yet again with another video I have come up. It's a chain rule of differentiation. Many students they ask as to how to differentiate when multiple functions are involved as composition. So basically chain rule is meant for composition. Suppose we have, what is chain rule of functions basically? When we say that y is a function of x, y is a function of u, say for example, and suppose u is a function of x, I will write like this: u is equal to u of x. Then if you want to differentiate, if you want to get dy by dx, or we say that if you want to get the derivative of y with respect to x, then what is chain rule of differentiation? Basically, it says that first you have to differentiate y with respect to the variable of which it is the function of. Y is a function of u. So first you differentiate y with respect to u, and then multiply this quantity with the derivative of function inside the bracket. This derivative of u, you have to multiply with derivative of u with respect to x. So it can be best explained with an example. Say for example, y is equal to say for example logarithm, natural log, ln, log of say any variable you can take, log of x square. So y is equal to log of x square, but x square indirectly, x square in turn is a function of x. So if you want to get dy by dx, so if I want to solve this, so I will write solution. I will write this equation as y is equal to log u, where u is equal to x square. So now this is a function of x, y is a function of u, y is a function of u. So first of all, find the derivative of y with respect to u. What is it? 1 upon u, as simple as that. And what is derivative of u with respect to x? It is twice x, isn't it? Therefore, if you want to find derivative of y with respect to x, then as per chain rule of differentiation, first find derivative of y with respect to u, multiply this quantity with derivative of u with respect to x. So therefore, we will be able to get dy by dx is equal to dy by du. What is the value of dy by du? It is 1 upon u multiplied by du by dx, that is twice x. So u, we have brought it. So it is our responsibility to resubstitute the value of u. What is it? U is equal to x square. So I will write 1 upon x square into twice x, which is equal to 2 upon x. This is your answer. So this is one of the best example of chain rule. Any other example, like for example, if you want to take, say example number 2, this is example number 1. Example number 2, suppose there is a function, say tan of cos of log x. Suppose this is the problem. We have to differentiate or find dy by dx. So we should understand there are multiple functions. Y is a function of cos log x, and cos log x is a function of log x, and log x is a function of x. So somewhere we can substitute if you want to do it in that way. Like if first you take this as, suppose let y is equal to tan of u, where u is equal to cos v. Again you can write where v is equal to log x. So immediately we can find dv by dx. It is what? 1 upon x. Now you find du by dx. What is du by dx? It is nothing but, again, chain rule of differentiation. Du by dv multiplied by dv by dx. So what is du by dv? Here only you can write it now. Du by dv is equal to minus sine v. So I will write minus sine v. And what is dv by dx? It is 1 upon x. Just now we have seen. Now we have to write dy by dx. What is dy by dx? It is dy by dx is nothing but dy by du into du by dx. As per this equation. This equation what we have done. As per this equation, dy by du, dy by dx we have to find. It is equal to dy by du multiplied by du by dx. Chain rule of differentiation. So now dy by, what is dy by du? What is dy by du? Dy by du we have to find with the help of derivative of tan u with respect to u, because y is equal to tan u. Then what is dy by du? Dy by du, it is sec square u. So I will write it here as sec square u multiplied by du by dx. What is the value of du by dx? Just now we have found out it is minus sine v upon x. So it is what? Minus sine v divided by x. So I have to just substitute the values of all these introduced variables u and v, and so I can write what? I can write x in the denominator first of all. So I will write x in the denominator, sec square u. So this minus sign can be brought in front. Sine v. What is v? V is nothing but log x. So minus sine logarithm of x into sec square u. Sec square. What is u? U is nothing but cos v. So it is cos of log x. So this is your final answer. This is your dy by dx. I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, you can again comment. But the only thing is that you have to understand basic chain rule of differentiation. How we are getting inside and inside the function. That is how we have to understand. So first you have to differentiate with respect to the variable of which the function y is a function of, and then that variable with respect to another variable of which it is a function of. So we have to take care properly then how we are differentiating. Is there any function which is left out? That also we have to take care. In the another video, I will give you the direct method of differentiation. How we can differentiate without substituting. Directly we can get the answer. Okay. So please take a note of this.